Hello friends, in this video we are going to create a subscribe newsletter. When we are going to the this part to closed, so here when we create account, there is the option that is create account. So there is option sign up for the newsletter. If you want to do it via API or via REST API, so how you can do that? Suppose I'm gonna create a new account over here. Um, let's see, we have already, let's test. His name is test. Test. And I'm saying sign up. And email is Raj. So I'm already, you are subscribed to the journal subscription. This is okay. So this is how we can do. Let's check the backend also. Is it is coming or not? So I'm logged in. So let's check customers. Is there stores? Custom themes, newsletter, reports, market, newsletter subscriptions. Okay, so I have only one user, that is Raj90 at the This one user I have, which is subscribed to that newsletter. Okay, so I can just put any email and I will put that newsletter in subscription over there. So I can make it disable or enable also. So let's see how we can achieve this. Let's go to the panel. uh, Go to the root folder. Let's check app subscribe newsletter. Should we subscribe newsletter? But actually, after that we have the function only subscribe. Just create subscribe email and it will subscription done. Else you can also create load by email unsubscribe function and you're successfully unsubscribed. If you put one, then okay. If you put zero, then it will unsubscribe it. Okay. So let's run the commands. Now next command, this is done. Next move to rest. Last. Now paste the last command and let's go to the postman. So here we can get news. What is the model name? Subscribe. Newsletter. You can send and subscribe. Subscribe. This email. Let's put email from here. And I will make it unsubscribe. So this is done. It's unable to send email. SMTP is not, I guess. And so let's check. If they said it, then it will show you aren't subscribed to the newsletter. Fine. And if I go to this section newsletter, it will remove from here. It says unsubscribed. Right. So I'm gonna again hit by one. So it will not accepting the millionaire account. Okay. This is how we can put another I think they will not going to take it, but it is subscribed over here. Make that in guest. When we are logged in, you are subscribed to the journal subscriptions. Right? This is how we can done the newsletter subscriptions via API. So hope you will like this video, and please do share, like and comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.